fruity and flowery fresh aroma. It's a long-lasting pleasant smell. This is all new ERYONE Scented Filaments. 2 series, 8 different flavors, useful for wide range of applications such as gifts or presents, home decoration, and many more creative projects. An opportunity to create surprises and memorable moments. A well-designed quality product that offers hassle-free printing experience, supported by a wide range of 3D printers. Spread joy and happiness among all. Bring smile to the faces of loved ones. Create pleasant and lovely atmosphere all around your home.